Okay, we got an Amazon box here. Let's see what we got. Now, Amazon is always mystery because we don't know what it is from the outside of the box, especially when you like shopping too much. Let's go. Ooh, nice. Okay, we got some paddings underneath. Pretty nice. Okay, so Intesri, I think that's the name of the company, but a PC gaming soundbar. That's what the name of the device is. Specifications. So before I open this, let me read that to you. Bluetooth version v5.3. Bluetooth receiving distance less than or equal to 15 meters. That's pretty good, 15 meters. Power output RMS 5 watt times 2. Speaker unit 2.5 inches by 2. Frequency range 60 hertz minus 20 kHz. I have no idea what this is. Yeah, perhaps you guys would know. I'm not sure what that is. Product size W422 times D95 times H67. These are in millimeters. So width and depth and height. Function, mic and headphones. Okay, so this also has a mic built in, so yeah, that would be pretty nice. Audio input, Bluetooth/USB mode, so we can connect with Bluetooth or USB, so pretty cool. Let's actually open this up and see what we got. So this actually is okay for computers, tablets and smartphones, wired or wirelessly, so nice. Let's actually open this up. Now I was trying to actually replace the on speakers that I have with this PC, and I actually got those from Walmart. They were like 10-20 bucks, I believe, I forgot, but they work, they do the job. They've been doing the job, starting from mic and speaker, they've been doing the job pretty nice, but I just want something better quality. I feel like this is gonna look nice too. We're gonna see if it's better quality though, so that's kind of what I'm worried about. Here we got the USB port, the cable here in the back. Okay, this is the speaker. Now the top is cloth, really nice. It's like the Alexa or Google Home, like something like that kind of material. Pretty cool. And then we've got Intesri is the logo here. We've got here. Then we've got the power. Oh, I think you just press power on and off, and then you can turn the knob up and down. This feels like a cheap 3D printed knob, but it matches the rest of the color here. Cool. We got QC Past sticker here on the back, on the bottom, and then the cables on the bottom as well. We have 4 feet. They're rubber, so it's not gonna slide around or anything like that. And the profile is really low, and I've actually seen this thing having an LED kind of strip on the front. Oh, right here. On the bottom here. So yeah, it's probably gonna look pretty cool too. So let's actually test this out and see how this does. So, but before that, I'm actually gonna show you guys how the on mic actually functions right now, what it sounds like, by playing one of my video, and then we'll play the same segment of the video after we connect this and show you guys how that does, okay? Okay, so currently we're gonna be on the on speakers, which is behind the monitor here, so in the end of the day I'm not even gonna see the speaker, so that's why I'm not really worried about any looks. Okay, cool. I've actually been waiting for this for some time now. This is actually from Crave. I'm not sure why it's at 480. There's gonna be some cool stuff in here. Now this is gonna be personalized for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, but you can go on the website and you can get whatever is for your phone. So now this is not perfect, but it does the work really well. So this is like the first 25 seconds I played on this thing, and now we're gonna actually change this thing. I'm just gonna plug this USB in and then see how this works out. Okay. USB mode. All right, that sounded very cheap. Pretty worried about the quality at this point, but we will change the mic output here to where is that? Audio, where's audio? Okay, right here. Windows itself, it's changed so much, so Okay, speaker S1.
Now I have two colors of cases in here, and with the bonus, this thing.
All right.
Let's see what we got.
Just lower it.
Cool. I've actually been waiting for this for some time now. This is actually from Crave. Shout out to Crave. There's gonna be some cool stuff in here. Now this is gonna be personalized for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, but you can go on their website and you can get whatever.
Oh man,
for your phone.
that's terrible.
So, that's all that.
All right, I mean, there's sometimes you just gotta get trash stuff. So yeah, this was definitely a trash one. Even the $10-20 speaker from Walmart worked really way better than this. And when you hear something in good quality and then you hear the Walmart one, it's a whole different thing. And then when you hear from that to this, it's like a huge difference. So this is terrible. Don't buy this, guys. Don't waste your time and money. But if you guys still want this, I'll leave the link in the description. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.